Hey everyone, it's Dina, and I wanted to just jump on really quick and show you something that I keep meaning to show you. Another awesome feature about having a business page on Facebook. So I know Chris has been developing hers. So Chris, listen up because you'll want to do this. And then everyone else, please get a business page because exposure is key in this social media world. But one of the most awesome things, I don't know what that is way up there. But anyway, so one of the most awesome things is that you can see when people like your posts. And as you can see, I don't do all 31 on my business page. I want to be a real person. I don't want to just be this bag lady. So there are product posts, but there's also other posts, but that's not why I'm on. So I was looking and I was like, okay, I got to find one that is relevant. So I posted this picture of the cake that my daughter made, and I want to show you something. So you can see here who liked it. And I know these two people like my page already, but watch this. So I clicked here. She said, wow. And she has not liked my page yet. So I can go here and click invite. And that's going to send her an invitation to like my page. And then it will organically be in when she says yes, which she's a nice person, so I think she will, but it will organically be in her feed. And then other people that may or may not see my page, because if you ever seen on your feed, it'll say so-and-so likes this group, and to let you know like what your friends are liking out there. So I once a week or every couple of weeks, I'll go through my business page and I'll see who liked it, and I will see if any of those people are not already liking my business page like I know these people do. So that's what I wanted to show you. That is really awesome. It's work smarter, not harder, and it's a great way to end Good to Great Wednesday. Have a great evening, everybody, and I will talk to you soon.